Hello, family. Welcome back to my kitchen and thank you for subscribing to this channel. I do appreciate everything that you guys are doing for me. I am making donuts today, and these are the ingredients that I use in making my sweet donut. My margarine, you can use better if you have flour, milk, salt, sugar, eggs, nutmeg, and this is my sugar flavor. Okay, you can use any other flavor of your choice. Don't go anywhere, stay in touch, and let us make this together. Thank you. And I'll be using 2.5 cup of flour, and as you can see, I am sieving them. So I'm done sieving my flour. I'll be adding a pinch of salt, and I'll add my sugar powder. This is the sugar flavor, and a pinch of nutmeg. Okay, and now include my sugar. Please, the sugar you can use to your taste. Okay, there's no requirement for sugar. You add it. If you want more, you add more. If you like less sugar, you reduce it. Okay, it's homemade food. You do it according to your tastes and preference. Okay, so I'll be mixing them till all the ingredients are uniformed in the dough. Okay, it should be uniformed in the flour. Okay, so soon I'll be adding my butter or the margarine. Okay, so you can choose any of your choice to use. So I'll be adding in 250 grams of margarine or butter. Any one that you prefer is cool. So as you can see, I am rubbing in the margarine with the dough. Okay, till they are all uniformed. Please do it gently. I'll add in my eggs. Okay, I use 3 eggs for these donuts. Okay, so if you prefer a lot of eggs in your dough, you just add or reduce to your taste. Please continue to mix the egg with the dough till it is fluffy and smooth. I'll now include my half cup of milk. Okay, so I am done making my donuts, and I'll go for this consistency. Is smooth and fluffy, and we cannot wait for this donut to be ready. Okay, please try at home to make your own donut. You have the right to reduce the quantity of your choice, either the margarine, the sugar, the flour, and any ingredient that you want to reduce or add, you can. Okay, it's better for you to make your own donut. And I have already heated my oil, and soon I'll fry these donuts. Okay, so don't go anywhere. Let us enjoy it together. Yeah, our donut is almost ready, and at this juncture I am using my hands to make shape. Okay, any shape of your choice you can use it, or if you are not comfortable with your hands, you can also use any spoon or spatula to mold it into the shape that you want. Okay, I know you get there. My sumptuous donuts, sweet donut is ready to be consumed by myself. Very, very crunchy. Okay, so when it's golden brown, you take them out of the oil. Okay, very, very nice and tasty. You can try at home making your own donuts. Okay, at parties, in your home. Okay, it's better to make your food than to buy. Okay, so I am encouraging you to do your own pastries at home if you have time. Okay, thank you very much for subscribing to this channel. Thank you for your comment and everything that you guys are doing for me. I am very much grateful to you all. Kindly share, subscribe, and see you next time with another video.